Hey, what's up everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. This video will be a Home Depot affiliate program tutorial. Now when you think of affiliate marketing, Home Depot might not immediately come to mind, but you must absolutely give their program a chance because their affiliate program offers some incredibly lucrative ways to earn money that you can tap into faster than you may think. And for anyone unfamiliar with Home Depot, essentially they are a massive home improvement superstore similar to Lowe's. They sell absolutely everything related to home repair, renovations, and maintenance. So you can think tools, lumber, flooring, paint, kitchen, and way more. So even contractors and professional tradespeople shop there to stock up on materials for big jobs. So as you can see, Home Depot appeals to all types of customers, from the average person doing small projects around the house all the way up to huge spenders like contractors, electricians, plumbers, and more. It's an extremely diverse audience with tons of purchasing power. And that's exactly what makes this program so attractive, since it also offers two main specific programs for affiliate marketers. First, we have the Home Depot Canada affiliate program. This program pays a 2% commission on all sales, which is pretty standard in the world of affiliate marketing. They also have a 3-day cookie window, meaning if someone clicks your affiliate link but doesn't buy right away, you still earn a commission if they purchase within 3 days. Now the catch is that this program can only be used by affiliates located in Canada, so if you're outside of it, unfortunately this particular program will not work for you. But don't worry, I've got you covered with the second option, which is the Home Depot Services Affiliate Program. And with this program, you can earn up to $30 simply for referring someone who ends up scheduling a consultation or quote with Home Depot services. This applies to anything like HVAC installation, gutter cleaning, fencing, kitchen remodeling, and more. No actual purchase is required. And that's essentially the basic overview of the programs. Now you can get some actionable tips to consistently hit hundreds of dollars every week utilizing these fantastic programs. And one of the best ways to drive consistent affiliate sales is to create YouTube reviews and unboxing of trending Home Depot products. For example, we have power tools which are hugely popular right now. You can do an unboxing of their latest cordless drill and really put it through its paces, showcase the features and the power. The key is making your review as helpful and engaging as possible. Don't just open the box on camera. Get creative with the B-roll footage of the tool in action, different angles and close-ups highlighting the features. You can do some head-to-head tests against competitors, really provide value for the viewer. Once your video is complete, you can drop some affiliate links in the description box below. I'd recommend linking directly to the exact product that you have reviewed, as well as any complementary accessories like bits, batteries, cases, etc. The more relevant affiliate links, the better. Another pro tip I can give you is to pay close attention to the view count and engagement on your videos. If you see it's gaining traction, consider doing a follow-up or a part 2 video that goes even more in depth on the product. For example, you can do an extended battery life test, a long-term durability evaluation, advanced tips and tricks. More content equals more views and equals more potential affiliate sales. Another approach I've personally seen amazing success with is creating roundup or comparison style content focusing on the popular Home Depot categories and products. Also, the classic top 5 or X versus Y formats just flat out work. So the key is making your comparisons super detailed, really highlight the unique strengths and weaknesses of each product, and help people understand exactly which is best for their particular needs and budget. Don't just briefly gloss over the details. At the end of your post or video, compile all of the items you covered into a printable PDF shopping list that people can take right to Home Depot. Of course, each product links to your affiliate code for the maximum earnings potential. Now let's talk a little bit more about the Home Depot Services affiliate opportunities. One of the best tactics here is creating a DIY home improvement content but subtly presenting it in a way that makes people hesitate to take on the project themselves. The goal is to get them questioning their skills so they'll consider hiring a pro instead. For example, you could write a blog post on tiling your own bathroom, walk through all these steps but really drive home how messy, time-consuming and intimidating it can be for an amateur. Because it really is. And then talk about the specialized tools and materials required, essentially low-key talk them out of attempting it themselves. After that, you can provide your Home Depot Services affiliate link to connect them with a certified Home Depot contractor who can help them out with such things. Even if they don't end up hiring that specific contractor, you will still get paid simply for connecting them and spurring that initial contact. Some complex projects that you could target are the wood floor installation, building a new fence, finishing a basement, constructing a deck, and you can come up with different ideas and be creative with it. The strategy is choosing projects that make amateurs pause, to get them questioning their skills enough so that they'll want to at least consult a professional, which is all you need to get paid. And that will be all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. If you found this video to be helpful or informative to watch, then let us know by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any future content that we make.